and then you have quality plants. Your plants.
Georgia's agribusiness development team recently met with farmers from across Afghanistan's Wardak province to help them with a simple but serious issue. Wardak's farmers had been having trouble identifying quality seeds to plant in their fields and were concerned about their crops.
Determining quality seed is important because in the long run it determines yield, pest and disease resistance, and for the Afghans that translates into food security and income.
Using both in-class instruction and hands-on training, Sergeant Benson drew on her experience as a middle school teacher to show her students a couple easy ways to test for seed quality.
They were just two very basic germination tests. One just requires soil, some sort of pot, water, and sunlight. You plant 10 seeds and see how many germinate, which means grow and sprout from the ground. The goal is to have at least 8 of the 10 germinate, and the other was the same concept except for you use a wet paper towel, place it in the sun for 5 to 7 days, and evaluate your outcomes.
Yeah, that was a very good training and efficiency for the people. We had a practical training that was so needed, so that was a good training for us.
From Wardak province in Afghanistan, I'm Army Sergeant Eric Provost.